Y'all know I do not mess with the floral scent stuff. Girl. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I am super excited for today's video because we are going to be reviewing literally a full face of Shopmissa makeup. Shopmissa reached out to me and wanted to collab with me on this video. This video is not sponsored, it's just gifted to me. As always, all opinions are my own. I would never try to sell a product that is not ideal for me and I feel like wouldn't be ideal for other people. If you are not yet part of the family, you already know what to do. Please go subscribe and hit the post notifications button, which is the bell button, so you know whenever I upload. And let's get started. Oh my gosh, there's so much. Like, where do I even start? You guys, they sent me so much more makeup than I asked for. So they emailed me asking me what would be ideal for, like, you know, a full face of makeup, and I gave them like a list, and then they sent me more. Oh my god, Shopmissa, thank you so much. Like, I'm literally just looking at the pile of makeup that you all sent me and I am so grateful and I'm so excited to try out all of these products. Holy crap. So they sent me like these hairpins. I just bought a camera battery. So I have 2 camera batteries now. But I feel like my videos are always really long, like, you know, obviously before I edit them. So if anything, if like my 2 batteries die, which I hope that doesn't happen, I will just record. Oops, it's backwards. I will just record on my phone. Hopefully you guys don't really care. Oh my gosh, okay, not gonna lie, these are so much sturdier than the ones I had on before. I had 4 of these on before, and then there was only this is only 2 in my head, and I don't even have to use another one. Oh my god, I feel so much better with these pins in my hair. And they match my robe. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my Amuse Pro eyebrow pencil. This one is in the shade Dark Coffee. So it has like an angled end, and then it also comes with a spoolie. So I'm gonna go in with my AOA Mirror Studio like handheld mirror. They also sent me this as well. And I'm just gonna fill in my brows with this really quick. This is super creamy. It honestly reminds me of one of my favorite eyebrow pencils, which is the Wet n Wild one. It literally feels the exact same, and I love, oh my god, I love how smooth the product went on. I feel like it looks more brown on camera, but it actually is like kind of like a taupey color, and I really like that because I try to stay away from like browns in my eyebrows. Okay, I love, focus. I absolutely love this product. Oh my god, it just looks so good. Like, this is it without it being concealed. It looks amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the other eyebrow and then I will just be right back. So I'm going to conceal my eyebrows, and this is the AOA Studio Liquid Concealer in the shade Buff. It just comes in like a mini squeezy dropper tube like this. And they also sent me a bunch of brushes. So thank you so much to Shopmissa because, oh my god, they really spoiled me. It's so cute. There's like a little cat in the back on it. Okay, so I'm just gonna squeeze a little bit of concealer and I'm going to conceal my eyebrows. Okay, so I just concealed my brows and that was so easy. I love the consistency of it. Can't wait to use it on my face to see how the coverage is because I was just using it to conceal my brows. Now we're going to move on to the eyes, and they sent me the Amuse Cosmetics bronze palette. This palette really has like my everyday neutrals and it just screams like fall and just like everyday kind of colors. That's why I chose this one. It's so gorgeous and I love my matte colors. So I'm gonna take this fluffy brush that I got in my kit and I'm gonna take this color and just work that into my transition. This is a really pretty orange color. My lights are pretty bright, so I don't know if it's going to pick up on my eyeshadow until like there's actually a really dark cover on my lids. But hopefully you can just see what I'm doing. This brush is super soft. Like, it feels like I'm putting feathers on my face. I'm gonna go in with this deeper shade. It's kind of like just this camel brown shade. And I'm going to work that into my crease. These colors are super pretty. I love them. They're just so perfect for every day. I'm just going in with the same concealer that I used to conceal my brows with and the same brush, and I'm going to cut my crease. Okay, so I just cut my crease and I'm gonna go in with this kind of red brown shade, and I'm picking this up on a different fluffy brush. So this is the one that I used, and then this is the new one, so you can tell that this one is totally more dense and straight. I'm gonna pack that into my outer corner. So they sent me 2 pairs of lashes, and thank you so much to Shopmissa because I did not ask for lashes. So thank you for reading my mind. Both of these styles are gorgeous, but I think I'm more leaning towards jean. These retail for 100. Retail for only $155, and that is crazy. And they are also faux mink, so what you know about that cruelty-free? So definitely was caught off guard, but I literally almost put on my lashes with like the glue that I always use and didn't see that they sent me this lash strip adhesive. I'm gonna use this AOA Super Strip Lash Adhesive, and I love the applicator. I love eyelash applicators that look like this because it's just not messy and there's like less product to waste. So super excited to try this. Also, it doesn't smell fishy or anything because I know some glues smell really fishy. The lashes are on and they're so cute. I think I cut this one a little too short, but it's okay. So they sent me this Sugar Fix lip scrub and I really want to try this. So it smells like cherry and like strawberry. It smells like a lot like cherry. Okay, because I have like really long nails, I'm gonna use my knuckle. So I'm just gonna put it all over my lips. Oh my god. It tastes like fruit snacks. Literally it tastes like fruit by the foot, not even kidding. And I do love how it's tinted red too. It looks so good on me. Just like if I was wearing like no makeup, I would definitely like just throw this on. This is super cute. Oh, it's strawberry. I taste strawberry, but I do also taste a little bit cherry. I love that. Oh my god. I'm gonna go in with AOA Studio Clean Slate Primer. I'm gonna put this in the areas where I have a lot of pores, and I'm just going to work that into the skin. It smells like lotion, like kind of just like any other lotion. Does not have that silicone feeling, if anyone's wondering, because I know some people don't like that. It has like this lotion moisturizer kind of feel. It's a little sticky, but like it kind of just feels like a sticky lotion. Oh, I'm so happy they sent me such great brushes. So they sent me this kabuki brush, and I'm so happy because I've been using the same foundation brush and it gets kind of like old, you know what I mean? So like I'm so happy that I have another one. I love applying my foundations with brushes, so I'm really happy, especially kabuki brushes. I am going in with the AOA Studio Buildable Satin Foundation, and this one is in the shade Natural Beige. This is what it looks like. It's just like a squeezy foundation tube, so I don't want to put too much on. Hopefully that's like not too much, but I really want to see how the coverage is. Oh my god, I feel like this is the perfect shade. Wow, it smells like, okay, I don't know if I'm smelling the brush or the foundation. Let me smell the foundation. Oh, it's foundation. So the foundation has kind of like a scent to it, and it's kind of like a floral. I want to say it smells like a daisy. Y'all know I do not mess with the floral scent stuff, but this isn't a very overbearing like daisy smell, so like it's not really bothering me. Honestly, I think it smells really good. Like I would wear this as a perfume. Okay, so coverage. Y'all, do you see this match? This neck to face match? This is without. I mean, don't look at this, but this is with and this is without. This coverage, girl. Oh my god, I'm so buying this again. I think this is one of my new favorite foundations, like I'm not even lying. And it just glides so easily. Ugh, and it smells so good. It smells so good, you guys. Like, I know some people don't really like fragrance in their foundations, but I promise you, like, it smells so freaking good. Not to the point where like it makes you feel nauseous or anything, or like you don't want to put it on your face. Okay, so I still have like blemishes peeking through here, so I'm gonna just build up that coverage, but it definitely is like a satin finish. So most satin finish foundations don't cover the first time that like you put it on, so that's totally normal, but it's really good for days when you don't really want that like extra coverage. As far as the color goes, I'm super surprised at how well it matches me. This literally looks like it's my skin tone. Like, it's freaking amazing. Okay, so the foundation is on, and now we're going to go in with the concealer. So to blend this out, they sent me the Wonder Blender, and this one is a high definition makeup sponge. So I'm gonna go wet this really quick. Okay, so are we not gonna talk about how big this expanded? This is so huge, and it's super squishy. Oh my god, I think this is gonna be my new favorite go-to. So I'm just gonna squeeze 2 dots because this concealer goes a really long way. I'm going to go ahead and just start blending it. So for cream contour, I'm going in with the AOA Studio Sculpt FX contour stick. This one is in the shade Nutmeg. It just kind of looks like this little mini crayon, and I'm going to focus that on the high points of my cheeks. Okay, so not gonna lie, this is a really dark color for my face. I'm gonna use this brush that they sent me, and it's just like an angled fluffy brush, and I'm gonna blend that out onto my skin. And I'm only gonna do a little bit to see if I like it. So you can't barely see it, but it's like right here. It kind of, not gonna lie, it does look a little muddy. This is more for people with a more olive skin tone. So immediately, like, this is the kind of contour stick shade that I usually use because my skin is more yellow, so I try to stay away from brown. I try to go and lean towards orange. This one is a little more brown, so I wouldn't use this one on my face. I feel like it would look really muddy, and I don't want my face to look muddy. The formula though is really nice. It's really good and creamy, pigmented as well, but it's just not the shade that I'm looking for. Okay, so they sent me 2 cream blushes, and I'm so freaking excited because I don't have any cream blushes and I've been meaning to get my hands on one. They sent me 2. This one is Cupid and this one is Passion. I think I want to go for Passion because it's a little more tropical. I'm gonna use this brush. It came with the set that they sent me. So I'm gonna do a test on my hand because I don't know how pigmented it is. Okay, so that's pretty pigmented, so I'm really happy that I didn't like put that on me yet. I feel like honestly, like filming makeup tutorials on my phone is so much better because it actually shows the color. Y'all know how iPhone literally shows every detail of your face, but like my camera isn't picking it up, and I feel like it's because my camera is trying to hide imperfections. But like it's really getting annoying because you guys can't see the color payoff and it looks hella good, but like I don't want to put on a bunch just for it to show up on camera. So this is a super pretty rosy blush. It looks like I'm just blushing from within. I'm gonna go in with the AOA Studio Perfect setting powder, and I'm gonna use this to clean up my contour and set my face. So I'm just gonna pour some onto the cap. I'm just gonna set my under eye. I actually didn't contour my nose yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that off camera really quick. Okay, so I just contoured my nose and I'm taking some powder and I'm just going to put that powder onto my contour just like that. I look crazy. I'm gonna take more and I'm going to clean my contour because it looks kind of messy. I'm going to take this fluffy brush that came also with my set and I'm going to just take that powder off. And I'm gonna set my face really quick and then we can move on to highlighter and the lip. Okay, so my face is now set. I'm actually gonna finish my under eyes really quick. I'm just gonna go ahead with the same shades and then put some bottom mascara on. So not really important, so I'm just gonna skip. Okay, I feel like that made me look 10 times more put together. They did send me a highlighter, but they like to call it a pow-lighter. It is called the AOA Studio Pow-lighter, and this one is in the shade Astro. That is super blinding. Oh my god, I love it though. Powder highlighters just look way better like than actual like compact highlighters. They're just so much more pigmented. I love this shade. It's so gorgeous. Oh my god, look at my nose. Oh my gosh, look at my nose and my cheek. Girl, I'm gonna wipe off extra grains from the sugar scrub. Now we are going to move on to lips. I'm going to be using the lip liner pencil from LA Colors, and this one is in the shade Sienna. Then we're also going to use the AOA lipstick. This one is in the shade Shore. This is really pretty. I already know I'm going to love this combination. Here's the lip liner and the lipstick swatch. I'm so excited for this combo. I feel like it's going to be my new favorite. Just going to go ahead and line my lips and then we will apply the lipstick. Okay, so this is just with the lip liner on, super pigmented. I love it. Now we're going to apply the lipstick. Oh my gosh, new favorite combo. Anyways, that is the end of the video. Wait, let me take my hair clips out. That is the end of the video. I really hope you all enjoyed it as much as I did. I loved reviewing these products for you guys. I'm so happy with the outcome. I think my makeup looks so phenomenal. All of these products are super great and I would definitely recommend you all to try them out as well for yourself. They're super affordable, so girl, get your shit. Everything will be down in the description box below for you all to check out. out. Again, I just want to thank Shopmissa so much for partnering up with me on this video and sending me all of these gifts. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on your way out. I love you all so much and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye!